Two powerhouse platforms for creators and community builders. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Podia, the all-in-one creator platform for courses, downloads, and more. And on the right, Mighty Networks, the ultimate destination to unite, engage, and monetize your community. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the roadmap. We're going to hit up price, courses and digital products, community features, mobile experience, integrations and marketing, and of course, monetization. You ready? Let's roll through each one. Starting off with price. So Podia, oh man, this one's for the budget-conscious folks. Their entry plans start around $33 to $39 a month, and you get a 30-day free trial to mess around before you commit. Plus, if you're scaling up, there are 0 transaction fees once you hit the higher tiers. The pricing is super transparent, which honestly is just refreshing after you've seen all those sneaky upcharges on other platforms. But heads up, if you're blasting a ton of emails, you might need to pay a bit extra. And some fancy stuff does still live on the higher plans. Now, Mighty Networks starts at $41 to $49 a month. Not crazy, but on most plans, there's a 2 to 3% transaction fee. So if you're selling a lot, that can add up. They do let you have unlimited members and spaces on every plan, which is cool. And there's a pretty nice discount if you pay for the year up front. But for those sexy growth or pro features, you'll definitely pay more. So on price, Podia pretty much takes this one. Next up, courses and digital products. This is where Podia really flexes. Like, they're legit a beast if you want a full-featured LMS. Think drip content, certificates, even upsells. It's not just courses. You can sell downloads, webinars, coaching sessions. Heck, you can even do pre-launches for your new content and specialty courses. One thing though, if you're hoping for deep community vibes inside your course, Podia keeps it pretty basic. It's really all about the content here. Now, Mighty Networks lets you bundle courses with paid communities. A neat twist. You get course spaces that come with lessons, events, and some social features baked in. That said, it's not as loaded as Podia for advanced course selling, and a couple of the more hardcore learning tools need those higher tier plans. But if you want a course that feels alive and community-driven, Mighty's got something special. So for content creators who want all the teaching tools, Podia wins by a nose. Okay, let's talk communities. Podia has a nice, simple setup. Think topics, channels, and you can gate access to your community based on which product or tier a member bought. It works, but it's seriously basic compared to our competitor here. If you're after epic member engagement, real-time chat, live events, or wild profile pages, yeah, Podia's gonna feel a little vanilla. Enter Mighty Networks. This is their playground. You get feeds, chat, events, member discovery, badges, points, like actual gamification stuff, and even messaging between members. Oh, and the group structure? Super flexible, with subgroups and collections, so you can go niche anytime. Only catch, there's a learning curve, especially if you're trying to wrangle all these features. And the magical stuff really comes alive at those higher price points. So, on the community front, honestly, Mighty wipes the floor. Wait, quick trivia break. Did you know Gina Bianchini, Mighty Networks founder, actually helped start Ning? That was pretty much the OG build your own social network back in the day. Just a fun little fact for your creator brain. Moving to mobile experience, oh man, this is kind of a biggie in 2025. So Podia goes with a mobile optimized web app. It looks nice in a browser, it works, but that's it. There's no native iOS or Android app. I know, kind of a bummer if you want that app on your home screen feel. On the flip side, Mighty Networks has legit native apps for both iPhone and Android. Everything works smoothly, and members get the whole experience right on their phone. The catch? If you're only using Mighty's course stuff, the mobile magic is all wrapped up in their community bubble. So, for truly mobile-first creators and members, this one's hands down Mighty Networks. All right, integrations and marketing. Podia is like, let's keep it all in-house. So you get native email marketing for broadcasts and sequences, direct calendar hooks for stuff like Calendly or Acuity, and there's even an affiliate program baked in. It's pretty solid for the solo creator who wants to run their whole business from one dashboard. If you get super advanced with your email, you might need an add-on, but seriously, most folks won't even notice. Now, Mighty Networks does integrate with Zapier, but only if you spring for the higher plans. The marketing stuff here it's fine, but honestly, it's way more focused on getting members into community spaces, not so much email campaigns or integrating with your calendar. And affiliate stuff, not in the cards. So, if integrations and slick marketing matter to you, Podia is the go-to. Finally, monetization. And this round is actually a tie. Podia lets you sell digital products, courses, webinars, coaching, set up all kinds of membership tiers, even run affiliate promos to get fans pitching for you. The only catch would be, if you want to monetize community stuff itself, it's not their main vibe. Now, Mighty Networks, you can charge for community, courses, events, you name it. You can even work with token gating and process payments in like 135 currencies, which is wild. So, it's perfect if you want wild flexibility. Their fees are a bit higher, and you don't get affiliate-style promos right out of the box. But if you want to grow an empire of subgroups and bundles, it's got the muscle. Basically, whatever kind of creator you are, you've got money routes on both. So, let's zoom out for a sec. Podia absolutely crushes it on price, integrations, and if selling courses is your main gig. Mighty Networks, meanwhile, totally owns community building and mobile experience, making it perfect for creators all about engagement and interaction. Monetization? It's a draw, but how you monetize might just depend on your flavor. When it comes down to Podia versus Mighty Networks, if your dream is selling courses, downloads, and digital products, plus you want decent email and affiliate tools without any fuss, Podia is the move. If you want a community that actually feels alive, where people chat, get badges, form subgroups, and basically hang out all day, go with Mighty. Pick what fits your style. Hey, if you learned something from this breakdown, follow along for more creator platform deep dives. There's more coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled.